Hello Team TFT, welcome back to another daily market outlook video. Today we're going to go over the price action from yesterday, any trades that could have played out, and any possibility of some trades for today. First of all, have a look at the economic calendar. We're looking pretty good this week. There's no real news. There is a bit of news, red news, GBP news here at 8 o'clock. And some red USD news at 1 o'clock, but again, that's not really going to affect any trading sort of at the start of the London or at the start of the New York. So that should be fine. And basically through to the rest of the week, we're going to be pretty safe. So we'll start off with the DXY. So here on the 4-hour, we can see here we've come into this higher time frame block here, and we've consolidated in a little bit, and then we've had this push down. Now we're actually, looks like we're marching back up. Now, if we look a bit closer into this area here, you can see here that we've had a push down, and then we had another push down yesterday, but we haven't really broken any lows. We've set equal lows here, again, which shows, it hasn't really shown a strong bearish indication yet, so there could be the possibility that we may see some higher price action here. We might see a deeper dive into this area before maybe possibly going short. So we'll jump down on the 15-minute. Now looking at the 15-minute price action, obviously you can see we have jumped bullish. We were bearish yesterday, and then you see here we popped out of the Asian range, popped back up, retested that midline as we were looking for here, and then we did get that impulse down. But then obviously in the New York session, we saw that news come in, and obviously we then turned and went bullish and started pushing back up again. So basically, at this point in time, we would have to assume that we're going to continue a little bit higher for the time being. But as the 4-hour, in my eyes, is still bullish. We haven't yet to sort of break this low here, and we have actually set 4 equal lows along here. And got quite a strong rejection out of that area. So there's a possibility we could see, some higher price action either up to here before going short. We could see some higher price action up into here before going short. Ultimately, I'm probably bullish on today for the DXY, especially for the short-term price action. While we're going to be up around in here, it could go both ways. We could see a push higher and a break of structure, which means obviously we're probably going to be looking to continue bullish, or we could see that rejection out of there. But, in one day's trading, we could see a bullish intent and then a bearish intent like yesterday, that bullish intent and then that bearish impulse that bearish impulse and then that bullish impulse straight after that. So around these areas, we've just got to be careful that the bias isn't overly clear, so just be mindful of that. But yeah, I think we're going to, in my analysis, I would assume it to be going a bit higher. Euro USD. So obviously we can see here that we have had this pull down. We were looking to come down either into this zone or this zone to go long, as we have broken multiple structure points along here. Compared to the Dixie, this one is flipped. We can see here on the 4-hour time frame, we've been marching down like this, sort of staggering down, and then we did come up and we've broken this structure point through here. This last little pull down before we've pulled back up. We did get a candle close above it, and then we've come back down. So that indicates a bullish intent from a bearish structure. So running on that, we'll drop down to the 15-minute. So basically what we'd be looking for today, for me, is a possible pull down into this area before going long, a pull down into this area before going long, or we may possibly see a break to the high side, pre-test and go long from there. Oops. Something like that. But yeah, I definitely like to see that the more high probability trades is coming down into these lower two blocks here. This top trade here with the break and retest, not as higher probability of success in this scenario. We could actually see a pop to the high side, a plunge down into the lows, and then go long from there. So again, I think on Euro, I'd just be waiting for it to come down into any of these two areas before going long. GU. So obviously GU yesterday, we were looking at going long on GU. Same sort of scenario as what happened on the other two. We did see that long scenario start to play out. And then we got that 1 o'clock USD news, and then the flip there. So basically what I'd be looking for at the moment is the same thing as sorry, I'll get rid of these. The same thing as Euro would be a pull down, possibly lower into these areas before going long. We could, obviously we have flipped. We've come down into this previous support area here. We've found support, pushed up, broken structure. We've actually come up and we haven't quite broken that structure point there. But on the 15-minute, we've definitely broken structure there. So what we're looking for now is a possible pull down before going long. Let's just have a quick look at the 4-hour here. We are starting to consolidate a little bit, so we're just going to have to be a little bit careful of that. We are consolidating in this range. So if we get down here, look to sell to the high of the range. Same thing, we get to the highs, we look to sell to the lows until the range is broken. So, but yeah, for me, GU at this stage is just a wait to come down into this area before starting to look for longs. Righto, guys. Thanks for jumping on again today, and I'll catch you all tomorrow. Thanks for watching another Daily Market Outlook video. If you enjoyed it, please give this video a like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like it. Also, guys, we are the largest Tradesmen Forex group tailored to helping hundreds of tradesmen get their time back through trading. If you want access to structured education, 18 live sessions across 7 days a week, mental health and mindset support from a qualified psychologist, and access to multiple different trading strategies from 10 different mentors, then jump over to our website at www.teamtft.co.uk. Please remember, this is not financial advice and you should not trade based on anything I have said in this video. This is just my own opinion and nothing more. And remember, manage your risk, stick to your plan, and secure those profits. Have a ripper day.